Riri muingi wa bururi uthiete na mbere gutabania mirurungano ya thayo icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi guthing'iriria mbunge itianirie mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu kumana na nyongerera cia magoti iria ciendekithitio. Ngwataniro ya ahuri biacara guku bururi-ini ya Kenya Private Sector Alliance KEPSA ni itugiritie mogaruruku maria maranirirwo muthenya wa ira ni muikariri giti wa kamiti ya mbunge igie kigina KURI Kimani. Makiaria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa mucemanio wa mwaka, arugamiriria KEPSA matongoretio ni murugamiriri munene Kariuki na muikariri giti Jaswida Bedi moigite mogaruruku macio ni meguthaitira biacara cia guku bururi-ini.
Of the 16 issues that we felt were very critical, 10 were captured and as proposals that were accepted, and we hope that as the committee today meets of Parliament and meets with the other colleagues, that those proposals will continue to be carried as they were mentioned yesterday.
John Gashora uria ni murugamiriri munene wa fegi ya NCBA ni aratariria mamwe ma mendekithia ma watho uyu maria mareheririo.
The issue was that this VAT was going to be levied on our customers, is a direct cost to our customer. When we break it down to you, it means that if you go to an ATM, you withdraw money, we have to charge you VAT for withdrawing your money.
Ona kuri uguo ni macakaite mbigiga cia magoti iria cigirirwo ruhonge rwa uthondeki wa indo na iganda undu umwe na ruhonge rwa motungata ta mafegi na mikawa iria ithukiirwo wigiriki wa kurogota gicunji kia 77 hari igana kia mahuthiro ma thirikari.
28-29% of the economy, the GDP of this country is two sectors, financial, the service sector and the manufacturing sector. They are paying 77% of the bills. That needs to change. It cannot carry on. These two sectors can't carry on carrying that weight of the entire country. 77% is a big number.
Riu ni maheanite mendekithia ma kwararamia kiondo kia rihia magoti niguo kuguciriria ahuri biacara nini na sekta ya jua kali marihe magoti ari ni hamwe na kwambatiria gikiro kia biacara iria irihaga igoti ria VAT na riria ria turnover tax kuma biacara cia muigana wa ciringi milioni 8 na milioni 1 toria watho wa kigina wendekithitie nginyagia biacara cia muigana wa ciringi milioni 25.
But start paying 3% and you'll start seeing the tax bracket going up. But right now it is self-defeating because at a certain number the turnover tax becomes VAT-able and you have to be VAT registered. That disconnect, and I'm not saying it's not important that we must have that VAT registration done at a number, but that number needs to move from 8 million to 25 million in line with turnover tax, and you will start seeing a lot of Kenyans paying 3%.
Oni moritie thirikari aigithie makiria hari kuhotithia iganda na biacara cia guku bururi-ini kuhota gucindana thoko-ini ya kimabũrũri kuringana na ngirimiti iria bũrũri wikiraniire na mabũrũri maria mangi ari njira imwe ya guthondeka mieke ya mawira na kwarahura utonga wa bũrũri.
So we have a very strong agenda that we want to move that $500 million to $2 billion in the next 3 years, and by 2030 to $5 billion. It will create $5 billion will create 500,000 direct jobs, and $2 billion will create 200,000 direct jobs. Currently, we only got 50,000 jobs in that one sector.
Riu ni moritie bunge ya bũrũri iria yambiririe kwarĩrĩria mutaratara uyu muthenya wa umuthi uthurime na kinyi niguo kweheria icunjĩ ingĩ ũndũ ũmwe na magoti maria mendekithĩtio maria mangĩhatĩrĩria mũingĩ wa bũrũri ũndũ ũmwe na ũhoti wa aigithia kũhũra biacara gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.